The ancient Egyptian pyramids were built as grand tombs for pharaohs, reflecting their belief in the afterlife and the importance of preserving the body for eternity. Constructed over thousands of years, these colossal monuments served to honor the deceased rulers with intricate designs meant to protect their journey into the afterlife. The pyramids required immense labor and organization, with thousands of skilled workers contributing their efforts during the annual flooding of the Nile when agricultural work paused. Deeply rooted in their spirituality, the construction and purpose of the pyramids were tied to religious beliefs, serving not just as tombs, but also as gateways to the divine for the afterlife journey. The treasures buried within these magnificent tombs were intended to accompany the pharaohs into the afterlife, reflecting their status and ensuring they could continue to rule even in death. Throughout history, these monumental structures have fascinated scholars and explorers alike, sparking countless theories about their construction methods and the civilization that built them.